What's going on, y'all? Another video. It's Every Penny Counts. I want to do this video on New Money Maker Mondays with SHOPKICK. Okay, the app is in the description. It's very cool. All you're doing with this app is scanning barcodes. Just that simple. You get points off that. You can even get points for things you buy on your receipt. Just that simple. A lot of different things you can do with it. A lot of different points you can accumulate. So I'm gonna click on it, the app here, and just show you exactly what I'm doing in order to get money with it. Now let me go back to the home page. I was on it earlier. I just want to start it from the beginning to show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so you see here I have 367 points. Okay, right here, this is the home page. When you first create your account and all that good stuff, this is the page that will pop up. Now it shows you stores that are local in your area and that are closest to you, wherever you may be at the time. It's important you have your location on so it can, kind of tell you the stores or where they're at, and the stores that will allow you to accumulate points. Now, right now, I'm like literally right down the street from Walgreens. So Walgreens is definitely the closest store to me. So you see here that barcode, and it has 100 next to it, and that receipt has 900. That means at that Walgreens, I can accumulate 100 points because it has all of those things that I can scan, and I accumulate 100 points. All right. That receipt in 900 points, that means there are items in that Walgreens that I can buy and I can accumulate 900 points. Okay, now let me show you how it all works by just clicking on Walgreens. So let's say I'm going to Walgreens and I want to scan barcodes. All I have to do is find these items. Okay, now you see if I find the Mentos, if I scan it, 15 points. If I actually buy it, I get 350. Okay, so if you buy it and scan it, that's 365 points. Just that simple. And it Mentos gum, it doesn't even cost a lot. So I mean, that might be something I'm interested in. I was just at the store earlier. I was at actually another store. I wasn't at Walgreens, but I was on the app. That's how I accumulated a couple points. But let me just show you. I click on it, and as you click the add button right here. If you want to click on your receipt, you add it, and then at the end, you'll scan your you'll actually take a picture of your receipt, and it'll see that Mentos is on there, and that's how you get your points if you buy it. Now, if you just want to scan it, all you have to do is click on it. Now, like I said, you see here, 15 kicks. If you scan it, you click the scan button, and it'll have a little thing for your little, just put it against the barcode, and it'll, immediately get your points. And just like that, it's in your account. Now, if you want to buy it, you have to just basically take a picture of your receipt. Make sure it's clear. Make sure they can see it, because if they can't see it, they'll say, okay, you didn't get it. And then you have to retake the picture. So just kind of make sure the picture is clear with all the words seen so you can really get your points. All right. So that's just how it works. And there's other things I can do here. Just kind of going to the side, different items that I could buy, or I can just scan. You see the barcode and you see those points next to it. That's how much it shows you how you can get for those. How much you can get for that actually. Now I say it's only 100 points that I can get in this store. So all of these things accumulate to 100 scanning code or scanning points, I guess you can call it, or whatever. All right, so let me go to another store. Let me see if Walmart is on here. Yeah, Walmart. Walmart is usually a big one because it's a really big store, obviously. So you see here, if I just, now that walking sign, what that is, all I have to do is walk into Walmart and I get 10 points. Okay, now that's why it's important you have your location on, because it can sense when you're basically at Walmart. Okay, if you're very close to it, you'll get your 10 points and just walking through the door. Sometimes you'll get it as you're parking your car. You'll get the 10 points. All right. And you see here the barcode, 830 points. And look at the receipt, 10,665 points. All of these are in this Walmart, Walmart is not far from me. It's like, it says 0.8 miles down the street. So if I click on it, it'll show me all the things I can go in Walmart and find. It's kind of like a little scavenger hunt. I kind of play a game out of it and make points. All right. So you'll see here these little beauty products. You just go and find out where they are, scan the barcode, same thing. Find out what household supply it is, go here, scan the barcode. Just that simple. You don't have to buy any of this stuff. If you want to buy it, that's cool, because you can get more points by showing your receipt, but you don't have to. If you want to get the barcode points, that's all you have to do is just find these items, find the barcode, scan it, and get your points. Just that simple. You see here, this is the medicines you can get. All kind of different stuff. You see, I'm just scrolling down, just showing you all the different things they have. There's so many points you can get at Walmart. Again, you saw it was at, the Mentos gum was at Walgreens. It's at Walmart too. Same amount of points though. You know what I'm saying? So you can go to different stores and basically scan the same product. A lot of different points you can get here. So I'm just scrolling down, just showing you everything you can do. You see how easy it is to accumulate points? I mean, just in Walmart alone, I can make 800 points, I think it was. Right? So it's like 830 points. And, you know, that's basically an example of how it works. I have to actually be at the store to show you how quick and easy it is. All you can do is find a barcode, scan it. You don't have to buy it, and your points will come in automatically. All right. Like I said, it shows you all the stores that are close to you and in your area. Now, I'm at home right now, but like if I went to work, because I work, I'd say about 25 minutes from my job, it'll show me the stores that are close to my job. Okay, it won't show me these same stores. So wherever you're at, your location is on, it'll sense the stores that are closest to you. All right, so now that we're showing all that, let me show you how you can cash out with the rewards you can get. Let's do that. You click on your balance here, 367. Now my goal is PayPal, all right? So I'm going for the $5 PayPal award. I need 1,300 points to get. Now, if you saw, if I went to Walmart, I can get most of that just in Walmart. It's just that simple, all right? So let me show you all of the things they have by going to reward options. You see, it says 43. That means 43 different gift cards they have. And look, they start out at 500 points. 500, not a lot. All different gift cards you can get just by scanning barcodes, y'all. That's all you have to do. It's not that hard. You know what I'm saying? Lots of different gift cards by doing easy work. You know what I'm saying? If you're ever at the store buying groceries, turn this app on, you know, look at where you're at, you know, get your points for walking through the door, find these items and just scan them. That way you can get these reward cards sent to your email, or, you know, if you want to get PayPal or whatever you want to do, it's very easy to accumulate. All right. So the app is SHOPKICK. If you sign up, I think you get 1,000. I think it's 1,000 points that you get at sign up. I'm not really sure because a lot of this app I've been a member of, I think about 2 years. I've cashed out a few different times with them with different gift cards. I think my first cash out I did was like Walmart, and I stayed on Walmart and Amazon for a while. And I've done a couple PayPal ones, and I'm going on my third one now. But I just want to bring it to you guys' attention of how easy it is to sign up. And then, like I said, once you sign up, you'll get a bonus. I'm not really sure of how many points you get, but I know you will get something, right? If I want to say when I first started this app, it was like 12. It was like 1,250 points you get at sign up. I'm not sure if they're still doing that, but I know you get some points. So it's just a matter of signing up and start making money with it. I mean, like I tell you with all these apps, just sign up and start making money. Just start grinding. It's not hard to do anything that I show you. I give you the tutorial on how easy it is to make money with it. Just going in stores, buying them. You know what I'm saying? Ready to get with that card there. Basically what that's saying, if I click on this, for every dollar I spend, I get 3 points. So if I want to go to Carter's, which is in Sugar Land, it's not far from me. I stay in Houston. It's for every dollar I spend, I get 3 points. You have to link your card to it. I haven't done that, I'm gonna be honest with you, but look, you get 50 points just for walking in there. So I might just walk in there and walk out, just get the 50 points. You know what I'm saying? So just, I mean, easy little stuff. Nothing requires any like difficult brain knowledge at all. So SHOPKICK is definitely an app you want to sign up for. The link is in the description. Sign up, you get those points. That way you don't start out at zero and make money with it, all right? Just scan barcodes. If you want to buy something, you get even more points for that. Let me show you something else real quick with this app I don't want you to overlook, because you can actually get paid to watch some videos on here as well. Let me just show you that real quick by going back to the home page. Let me see where it's at. If I'm right here, I'm at the home page. If I go to Discover, it actually has more things that I can do in order to earn points. All right, so let me wait for that to load up. You see here, watching those little quick videos, 1 point each. If I scroll down, there's more, look, 3 points for watching that one. You know what I'm saying? Scrolling on down, see if it's any more. Look, 5 kicks, 5 points. I mean, they call the points kicks. You know what I'm saying? So you just watch the video, let it play out, and get your points. Simple as that. And those reload every day. You know what I'm saying? So when you're scanning products, if you're on the way to the store or whatever, or getting ready to go to the store, don't forget about the points. When you get back or before you go, make sure you watch those videos, because they do add up and will help you out at get to your cash out faster. So that's something I wanted to show you. It's something you can add to your routine. Scanning barcodes, watching videos, quick, easy points. You see, I've already been working with it for a while. I'm on the way to my next cash out. I got 367 points. And I'm about to get a $5 cash out with PayPal very soon. Of course, I'll make the video when I get that. and you should too. So sign up. Link is in the description, and remember, every penny counts.